Code C, part 8 of 9, lever, create a new file, select model template, select unit millimeter, enter the name, lever, click OK, create a sketch, select XY plane, draw a circle of diameter 40 mm, draw a circle from the origin, diameter 18 mm, finish the sketch, select extrude, select symmetric value, enter the distance width 20 mm, click OK. Now select datum plane, select at distance, select YZ plane and enter the offset distance 68 mm, click OK. Now create a sketch in this new datum plane, click OK. Draw a circle of diameter 30 mm from the origin, finish the sketch, select extrude, specify vector reverse direction, select until extended, select the face, select unit in the Boolean operation, click OK. Select the hole, enter the hole diameter 14 mm, specify the point, select the arc center, normal to face, select depth limit value, enter the hole depth value to 43 mm, enter the tip angle 118 degree, let's subtract from the Boolean operation, click OK. Create a sketch, the XY plane, click OK. Draw a circle of diameter 2 mm, edit this dimension to 48 mm, finish the sketch. Now select X2, select subtract from the Boolean operation, enter through all, click OK. Enter the diameter 2.5 mm, finish the sketch, select the thread, select this surface. From the thread table M3, into 0.5. Enter the thread length 21 mm. Click OK. Save the file. Orient it to trimetry. File close. All parts. This completes code C part 8 of 9 lever.